Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the substrate of bioconversation and the design of the media for the culture. Bioconversation, also in biotransformation, is the conversion of the organic material such as the plant, animal waste into the usable products or energy sources by the biological process or a agent such as a certain microorganism. One example is the industrial production or the cortisone, which one step to bioconversation to progesterone to alpha hydroprogesterone by the Rhizopus nigrus. Although another example, the bioconversion of the glycerol to 1,3 propoadenyl, which is part of the scientific research of the many decades. And Bioconvergence Sciences Technology Group performing multidisciplinary work in the research and development. So it can be feedback. There are so many materials derived to the plant, animal waste, and the paper, and the tires, fabric, construction materials. The three different process of the bioconversations are the enzymatic hydrolysis, synthetic gas fermentations, and the CORS and the grub composition and the suitable technology. So this is all about the bioconversation. Now we will discuss about the design of media. Here is the showing a diagram of the design of media. For the first of all, design of the media, there are requirements some particular sources, which is the carbon source, nitrogen source, some kind of minerals, chelates, precursors, nutrient recycles, and the oxygen requirement for and the anti-forming agents. So these are some materials which is subdivided in the particular materials. So these are the main sources for the culture of a design of a media for the particular culture. Carbon sources are required like saccharide materials, starchy materials, cellulose, hydrocarbons, vegetables, oil, and wood molasses. In the starchy material, it is required meticals, rats, and rats tubes. In the saccharides, we will require beet sugar and the molasses, blacky, strocky molasses, pre-medium sugars, and in the cellulose we will require for the we can take for this as a cellular source we can take rice straw, sulfide waste liger, and the wood molasses. And for the oxygen requirement, just because oxygen also main part of this for the media design and for the culture. So for the oxygen requirement we need to some fast motor metabolism and the rheology. And for the nitrogen source we have some kind of soya meals. We can for as a nitrogen source we can take as a soya meals, pharma media, distillation soluble, and the pharma and the corn strip liquor. So this is about the media design, which are the main sources, which is carbon, nitrogen, and we can take as a carbon source of these materials and nitrogen source for these materials and minerals and chelators. So we these are the sources we take as a these particular sources. Thank you.